Hi there, students. Latitude, a noun, either countable or uncountable. Firstly, latitude we use in geography to measure the angle of a particular area from the equator. It's measured in degrees. So the further you go north or south, the greater the angle of latitude. You can use latitudes, an area around a certain latitude, a certain line round the earth. And that's the basic meaning of latitude. But we also use latitude as an uncountable, talking about freedom, the freedom to behave or act as you want to. So I always think the best bosses are the ones who give a lot of latitude to their employees to do what they think is right, to do things in the way they think is best. They have freedom to act, and that means people act responsibly because they're expected to be responsible. So the latitude talks about the scope, the leeway for freedom of action or freedom of thought. Yeah. So very strict parents give almost no latitude to their children. Yeah. Do you have any latitude with the price? Any elbow room? Any wiggle room? Yeah, any breathing space. Okay, so latitude, the freedom to choose what you want or to act as you want. So students are given a lot of latitude about the courses that they choose to do. Yeah, this is freedom to do something the way you think it's best. The government has a very big majority, and this gives them latitude to do what they want to do. Yeah. Okay, so a permissive society gives people a lot of latitude to act as they wish, to do what they think is right. Okay, so latitude. This is at a latitude of 30 degrees, yeah? The angle from the equator. And then latitude, freedom from restraints, from limitations, from regulations. So some religions give more latitude than others. Yeah, you've either got to follow the dogma exactly, no latitude, or you just need to obey certain moral rules and be a good person. And then you've probably got more latitude in how you act. Okay, so I think latitudinal as an adjective. Yeah, latitudinally. Okay, so yeah, the freedom of thoughts. His parents gave him a great deal of latitude when he grew up. Yeah, maybe that's because they came from tropical latitudes, a place on the earth. Yeah, you should give your children latitude when choosing their friends. Yeah, they choose their own friends. So a lot of scope, a lot of liberty, a lot of freedom. Yeah, playroom, space, leeway, elbow room. Yeah, so in some jobs you have more latitude than others. Um, the law should be written in a way that it defines things exactly and there should be no latitude in its interpretation. Unfortunately, it's not exactly like that. Okay, so latitude, the extent, the scope of something. Okay, so latitude when talking about a geographical position, 5 informality, use anywhere. It is what it is. And then latitude talking about scope. I think this sounds rather more formal. I would probably just say freedom or scope informally. I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, latitudo, talking about width or breadth, which comes from latus, an adjective meaning wide or broad. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Latitude.